Hello everyone, back again on the Tekno Genius channel. As we know, Grok is currently difficult to access. You must subscribe first to be able to access Grok. But don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to access Grok for free and unlimited. But before that, click the like and subscribe button so you don't miss other interesting information from Tekno Genius. Okay, let's get started. First, we need ChatGPT to create a prompt and Roboneo.com to bypass Grok. You can register using the link that I have saved in the description. Okay, after logging in, click New Project here, then select the Workflow menu. Okay, let's wait a moment. So, this is what the workflow looks like. Next, click the plus icon, then select Image to Video. And this is what the image to video workflow looks like. There is a text column for the prompt and an image as a reference. Next, click the Model tab and select Grok. You will need 25 credits for each generation. You can also set the duration and resolution you want. Okay, let's try it straight away. I uploaded the base image. Then in the text column we enter the prompt. So, I will first create a prompt in ChatGPT. Here I ask ChatGPT to make a prompt just saying hello to make it simple. Okay, let's copy the prompt and paste it in the Roboneo.com text column. Then click Run and wait for the results. Okay, the results are out. Let's see.
Selain senang sampai mana mudah sudah bedakan bersama hari kan, saya sudah mami.
The results are quite good. What if the credit runs out? The answer is very simple, friends. We just have to create another account with a temporary email. And this is the unlimited trick. Okay, let's just try it. First we select Register with Mail. Then we search for temp mail on Google. Copy-paste the email and enter the password. Next, check the incoming email in the temporary mail. Here you will be given a verification code. We copy the code and paste it. And look, friends, the account has been successfully created. So that's how to bypass Grok with simple and unlimited tricks. We test again with a different image and prompt. Repeat the steps as before. And here are the results.
Hai, aku baru saja bangun tidur. Masih agak ngantuk sih, tapi saya seperti juga.
If you like this tutorial, click like and subscribe. See you again in the next video.